Now we need to get this thing live on the internet. So now let's save it to GitHub and deploy it. So I'm going to minimize this here. Then click on Settings here in the top right. Click on this arrow and click GitHub. Click on Sign into GitHub to continue. And if you have an existing GitHub account, you can log in right here. But if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up down here. In my case, I'll click on Continue with Google. I'll log in with my account right here. Here you're able to choose your username. You can choose your country or region. And then scroll down and click on Create Account. Then here just scroll down and click Install and Authorize. And now here we'll need to create a repository. A repository is just a place on GitHub where your website or web app is going to be stored. We'll use this later to actually deploy it onto the internet. So here I'll just say Client Vault Web App. And then for the description, I'll just put Tutorial Web App. And for the visibility, I'd recommend just keeping this as private. Go down and click on Create GitHub Repository. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom and click Stage and Commit All Changes. All right, and now we've saved our web app to GitHub. That means that we're ready to deploy.